Hey guys, welcome to Oslo. My name is Josh Riola and I'm a product manager. And today I'm going to show you Webex on Flip.
This is a Samsung Flip 2, a 4K display that enables pen and touch controls in order to maximize co-creation in meetings and also includes a Touch 10 device. The unit requires a new mount designed for the Flip. Take note that the RoomKit Mini HDMI 1 and USB touch-out connections for the Flip. This is the default screen of the Flip when you enter a room. Notice that there are two whiteboard icons and each serve different use cases. The purple icon is for online meetings and the Flip icon is for local whiteboarding purposes. You cannot use a Samsung whiteboard in a Webex meeting. Let's check out the brush mode on the Flip. Tap on the Flip icon. Go to the menu and find brush mode. Here you can use a regular paintbrush and begin painting. Once done painting, you can export your work by selecting the down arrow from the top of the screen and choosing various options like email, print, or USB. Now let's make a video call and join my personal meeting room. On the far end, Marta has joined on her Desk Pro. I can see that a whiteboard session has been started and can see the far end user's activity with the orange icon. Here, we'll just play tic-tac-toe to show you two-way whiteboarding over video. I can continue to use the Samsung pen and select various pen colors. For the last part of the video, we will open up Webex Teams and use ultrasonic pairing to the RoomKit Mini to control the endpoint. Hit the big green join button. Here, an end user is already sharing a slide. You can see that the mute button on the Flip will turn red after hitting the mute button on the Teams app. On the screen, you can see that the far end user is annotating on the slide, as seen with the blue icon hovering around the screen. As you can see, the Webex on Flip is a very easy to use and extremely powerful solution that can support a 5-person meeting room to a huddle space to bring in virtual teams over Webex to meet, share, annotate, and whiteboard.